My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. This is the 2016 Vauxhall Astra. This vehicle has done just over 52,000 miles. It has a manual transmission and a petrol fuel type. This Astra has a 1.4 litre turbo engine. On the steering wheel we have features such as cruise control and voice control. We also have automatic wipers and automatic headlights. On the touchscreen we have OnStar, phone, gallery settings, projection and audio. We also have heated seats on either side, as well as parking sensors and lane assist. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that it's complete with a full leather black interior. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening times are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.